Good everyone, I will share with you about Cubism. The artists of Cubism use vivid and unmixed color to create flat shape and simple form in their painting. They do not focus on making their art look realistic, but rather use color to show emotion and feelings. So, ang mga artist sa Cubism is nagamit sila vivid and unmixed color. Mga unmixed color bagang mga unmixed good kang dili kayo halo-halo. Yeah. Para ma-create ang flat shape and simple form sa ilang mga painting. Wala sila nag-focus sa ilang kanang tinuod nga color bitaw sa realistic. Kay ang ilang gula na kay kanamang mga bright color bitaw ingana. But rather to use color to show ma-show ilang emotion and feelings. The name Les Pubis was actually first used as a derogatory remark about their work by French art critic Louis Boussilis. Les Pubis actually means wild beast. It referred to Matisse and the others' choice of colors, indicating that their work was savage and primitive. Sa pangan nga Les Pubis, nagpasabot ni siya og wild beast sa French. Kini ang unang gigamit sa usa ka art critic nga si Louis Boussilis. In short, Cubism is known for its bold color, emotional expression, and simple form. It shows a new way of seeing art, not copying nature, but expressing their feelings through colors.
Ang topic dia is about Dadaism na. Ang Dadaism po ay isang anti-art movement na nagsimula sa Zurich noong 1916 bilang protesta laban sa unang digmaang pandaigdig. Layunin nitong siray ng tradisyonal na sining at ipakita na kahit ano ay maaaring maging sining. Para sa mga Dadais, mas mahalaga ang idea kaysa sa mismong likang sining. Namo rin mga artist sa Dadaism sila ni Jean Arp, Marcel Duchamp, Max Ernst, Raoul Hausmann o si Man Ray.
Expressionism. Expressionism painting is a represented distortion of reality resulting on an emotional effect. Kanang ang expressionism painting. Ang expressionism painting is represented siya sa distortion of reality resulting sa kanang emotional effect. Tapos ang emotion is kanang nagkuan siya isa neural kanang murag nagduduha, tapos murag siya nagduduha impulse that moves and organism to action. Emotion is differentiated. Nagkuan mura ra si differentiated is kanang murag pareha ra sila. Ang emotion differentiated from feelings. Murag kahawig ra sila sa kuan emotion of feelings.
Characteristic of a good artist. Number 1. Artistic ability. A good artist continuously develops the ability to further his natural creative skills. This way be achieved through openness to new trends and techniques in artistic expressions. So from the word ability, it is the skills that an artist have or they are capable of. It is the way how they use their skills to create something that way go on trends or in best seller in the market. Or in Tagalog, ability means kakayahan ng isang tao sa paggawa ng bagay-bagay.
Creativity is a thing that we most apply every single day. Examples sa atong mga artworks. Kinahanglan nato creativity to sell our artworks or mas nice siya tanaw. Or even sa mga sa unsa natong pangbuhaton or ato pang pangbuhaton. And also, ang creativity that is the most important qualities of an artist. Or even natong tanan, because it refers to the ability to think or do something na based sa imong imagination to produce something new or meaningful ang imong artwork. So mao to ang creativity.
Manual dexterity. A good artist always allots time for practicing his skills. So from the word manual dexterity means using a skillful use of your hands, especially when doing tasks that requires control, precision, and coordination, like drawing, painting, or sculpting. So when it say a good artist always allots time for practicing his skills, it means that artists improve their hand control through regular practices.
Communication skills. Number 5. A good artist should be able to convey information to people clearly and simply. So, a good artist is kabawal sa mo explain sa idea, kabawal sa mo kwanta or ipahayag sa tao aron dali ka niya masabtan ang art stages.
Self-promoting and marketing skills. A good artist should learn how to publicly relate oneself to people for the purpose of selling his product and services, like it or not. An artist's career can sustain one's lifestyle. So kaning self-promoting and marketing skills na dapat yun ka ng kabawag yun ka bitang mo buy and sell bitaw mo kuan kasi mo mga produkto bitaw ka mo sell kana then para po ka nang mo lago bitaw lago siya sa kanang para sa mga artist kasi sample akwa dapat ka ng drawing kailangan ako kanang makibaligya nila para maka-earn money ana para po mo balik po na po ba. Thank you.
Still promotion and marketing skills. A good artist should learn how to publicly relate oneself to people for the purposes of selling his product and services. Like it or not, an artist's career can sustain one lifestyle. Kuhaan kuno, ang isa ka maayong artist kinahanglan makaibaw unsaon pagkaila sa iyang kaugalingon sa public aron makahibaw ang mga tao nga kuan sa iyang mga product o serbisyo kani makatabang sa pagbaligya sa iyang kuan mga product o kuan kanang sa tinuod lang ang career sa usa ka artist makasuporta sa iyang panginabuhi.
Thank you, reporters. In conclusion, art production is an important process that allows artists to express their thoughts, feelings, and ideas through different forms and styles of art. Yes, atong timanan nga ang art production is importante siya nga process para ang isa ka artist ma-express iyang feelings, thoughts, emotion through painting. Diba, murag makita ta sa isa ka artwork, murag ma-feel po nato unsa joy buti pasabot sa isa ka artist. Murag ingan ang style sa art production para jud kung ikaw isa ka artist ka, ma-express jud nimo imong gibati through painting. Yan naman ng mga artist, diba? Kanang kung sad sila, mag-create sila ng art, murag mabitaw lang comfort, diba? Kumbaga, yan, nabitaw lang comfort zone. Kung sa uban nga stress or sad, happy, sa mga feelings nila, ilaharang gamiton ilang pagka-artist through painting. Nga na dyan importante ang art production para dyan Kung ikaw isa ka artist or dili pa artist, murag ma-express jud nimo imong gibati para pod ang mga audience makamao kung unsa jud pod imong na feeling. The way kanang paggama nimo murag importante jud ba para makamautas kanang process og background anak nga painting mo na importante ag art production. Through art production, we learn the art is not only about creating something beautiful, but also about communicating meaning, emotion, and imagination. Yes, through art production, murag makamauta kung unsa jud aguot ipasabot ana nga mga artwork. Murag dili pod artwork kundi sa artist pod. Murag maka-feel ta og happy kay na-create na nila nga artwork. Murag dili pod ta about creating artwork, but also to communicating the meaning, emotion, and imagination sa isang artist. Murag ana ta makamao kung siya is happy, sad, or stressed. Ana to makita sa iyang artwork at sa outcome sa iyang artwork. Nga na art production, nga na ka-powerful ang art production. Kana importante sa isa ka artist o sa artwork para jud mahatagan og pag award ay isa ka tao. Kay ijaha man ang art, ijaha man ang ginama. Yes, ijaha ang ginama. So, nasabtan ba ninyo kung unsa jud ang art production? If yes, just comment down in comment section. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you learned something from us. So, that's all. Thank you!